tutorial how to fix unreadable hard disk. So keep tuned. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back in Markenji channel. You see that the hard disk cannot read by my device. Okay, now I will show you how to fix this. See, the other C, D, and A can be read and the G cannot be read. When I click it, something like this come. Maybe if you don't know and you just format it and you will lose all of your folder in there. Now, what should I do is go to the CMD and click the HD. Just type what I type because I have a bad pronunciation about alphabet. Okay, CHARD/NG because I have in G. If you have in A, just type A. Now just enter it and wait until it fixes. Okay, we wait it and we close it. And now see on the right that the folder G already open now. So this is how you to fix this problem, the uncannot read hard disk. Okay, may that help you for this tutorial. If you have any question, you can just go to my comment below and just type something that you can understand. Okay, maybe just that. Don't forget to like and subscribe this video. I'm Markenji. Let's go. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.